All right, here's my 2005 KX125 that I just picked up for $300. Well, plus an Xbox One X with a bunch of games, but I never played anyway, so I think it was worth the trade. But this thing definitely has a ton of work to do. It does have a lot of blue accessories, but I'm not into the blue, so I'll be getting rid of all that. I mean, that is kind of a cool chain guard there, but not my color. It's got some powder-coated parts on there. I mean, that's powder-coated. Triple clamps are powder-coated them. I'll be swapping those out anyway. I mean, that's a pretty nice gas cap, but I know they're only like 20-some bucks, 26 bucks anyway, but still. The tire is probably the best thing on this bike, at least in the best condition, other than, looks like damn near a brand new R304 Shorty. So that's worth a couple hundred or 100 and some bucks right there. So the rear shock looks like it's gonna need to get rebuilt. Either way, I plan on redoing this pretty much the same as I did this, other than the fact that I started with nothing on this one. I think my 05 here is gonna be a little bit easier to start somewhere, because I actually have something to work with here. But yeah, I mean, I don't know how easy it is to straighten those out. I know you can heat them up and pop them out, which I'll probably end up trying to do, because that's a $200 part. It does have a little crack right there, but that's okay. That's on the cover. I'll be replacing that cover anyway. Yeah, I think this is brand new. That's a brand new muffler. Yep, well, here's the project. Looking forward to this. I really wanted a 2005. All right, there it is.